Thanks for taking the time to come with me today on a little walk around this 2025 Sea Ray 260 SLX. The SLX has a beautiful Sea Ray blue hull side here. Does have the removable bimini. And then as we come to the back here, you've got a nice swim platform to hang out. We do have trim tabs, underwater lights, and then the Merc 6.2 350 horsepower engine. And then on the back, you've got some nice seating in the back with the sea deck. Let's go to the interior and take a closer look. All right, welcome to the interior of this 2025 Sea Ray 260 SLX. A really great feature here in the cockpit is probably the entertainment space that you have. You've got nice L-shaped seating right here for your passengers. You've got the co-captain chair, you've got the captain chair and another seat over here on the starboard side. And then if you want, you can have people on the back side of the boat as well. You can see there's a stereo, you've got cup holders, nice place to sit, and then again wrapped around into the cockpit of this 260. Another great feature is the helm. It's a beautifully appointed helm. You've got your access to your Fusion stereo. You've got your DTS or digital throttle and shift from Mercury that powers the 6.2 liter 350 horsepower engine. And then we have our dual SIMRAD screens with tons of different information that you're going to need for a day on the water. Another great feature here at the 260 is the bow area. You've got nice seating here. You do have bow armrests that fold up and down. You do have a place right under there for a table, and then great storage here in the 260 in the bow. Here's the wonderful storage here in the bow, kind of tucked away. You got storage there, and then nice deep storage down in here. You got your table, and then a place for the bow filler cushion to sit. But great place to just put a bunch of extra things that you might have on your boat. Thank you for taking the time to walk around this 260 SLX from Sea Ray. If you'd like to come take a closer look, we have it here at our Rogers location. Would love to see you come on down. Have a great day.